Hello guys, this is Aayan and
Hello.
Aayan's father, right here in the middle of nowhere. Oh, we know where we are.
We are in the Aravali Biodiversity
Aravali
Park.
Biodiversity Park. It's in Gurugram. Most amazing place. The weather is absolutely awesome. And look around us. See what's happening.
We'll be showing you some sights and some good places where you can all enjoy and look at some natural biodiversity that lives here. So that's all restricted areas meant for the animals to keep them safe. Here you can see there's some indigenous plants that belong to Aravali.
Alright, hi guys. Thank you again. Thank you, Aayan. This is Aayan, guys. He's the one who's going to be your tour guide for today in the middle of Biodiversity Park. Right? It's a beautiful, it is called the lungs of the city because all this greenery adds to fresh oxygen and takes away the pollution. Yeah?
Yeah.
And Aayan, what pollution is good or bad?
Pollution's bad.
I just heard today from Aayan that humans are pollution. So
Yeah, we are because
that's new.
we're not responsible of our environment. Can we go inside there, Aayan?
No, I think it's restricted. Plus
Okay.
there are lots of termites and ants.
Alright guys, we are coming up on. Hello. Hello, how are you? Hi. I'm Lucky. How are you doing? You look absolutely comfortable. Enjoy your sun bath.
We've never been here. There's a new route we're gonna take. You
So
can
what's
see-
special about this route, Aayan?
You can see that there are some red sediment remains. These are from the plants that shed their leaves.